There is beyond the azure blue a God.
If you look at the room, living in the proper interior, she had a job. Unia, and one see no pay. I hear general drum at the party. In Sri Lanka, na unshina also. And then out to the kind. I want you to know, Miss Yaw, Yaku, Nara, near the sorry I said, I mean, Yamamano. Say, yes, my Gusia was sorry, name, say, my sorry, Yamapon. Into your Christoni, now would you be a Lumbia and Shia and someone, she now Didier, now Brassing. We are Christoni, near Druga, won't father Diana, Uncle Kenya Lumio, Namun Ferry and Didia, or the four, who are you. Saranso, and I don't know who this show, I really don't know. And so we do no crack, now would be Oji on a quiet. Now, some would be a grandma wow, that we shall be brave. And your how Muntino, oh, I'm out Gidia Pujo. Intino, Wumfa or Ma, Emquera, dear Nimucrano, she know, and now say, the show. Una the Christ and two send the Santini, and now said the Ashro, or the four. She na ebiana atete ene ohawa ye wo muntino ndidie so abrase wo ya hwiase peja ho sorry na ye ne esefata na onyankopon se ayeye ofata na se ne tontom ese yeso na bring nara anani na somo be hye mene behanga ni jo hye chi lewe oba ne saka ka ntu akwe ne yini saka no le ke drobo o ke kwa hale no ke twanke o mi show you no dey fear ha ho the mo agbele gbako dey fear baba wo na mo to na to and now na o twi ya etwemu no ye gusora ye hwe say what is my response during crisis? Am I going to be grateful or am I going to be stressful? Say enemy isi enjina o hawa no meda onyankopon ase ana say Medi a reho bebre a me yehwe enye yi kai say asidemu no oh ye yi na me aye wo de wa ye ho enfam de ha wa ye na hu na se me de bifo ene a reho na eji a me mam nya kasa me nim system na hofo na mu mpo de yare bebre brem ye gusora ye hwe ba bu mu wo a wo wura ha bebre mu ne kwa ofa so gina no ya hwe Gideon de ya hwe na obi die Gideon bi a ye say opa aba enida so wura ni musa ye oma ne nsaso se we demu ondina me kura ndi biom na so obofo no kasa kire no onyame na asoma ni pado wo nchen o kasa kire no onyana ni mu gidie biom e ko ye ni ade pese o ye onu na on bu ni so asafata no ya na me so eje ne man kwa ishiranga ni nda sara so e na wo ye nimti ya wo musabre ebi a wo rakoyi ebi a wo ma won saso ebi a wani na so san me rade asama wo gusuti enhye wo kran na peja wo gina wo bio na die rade pesa wo ye no sore waka na koye na wo be rade nkuni die wo brabo sara so e na ye hu se Naomi oh no so apaba onu ko ne die ne enya abankwa na opa he wo se nyame ne no Naomi said God had afflicted her. God has dealt treacherously with her. And she didn't blame God. Yes, Naomi blamed God. A boy yake e shadumo. Nke te fete ni nge uke bi famwe. Na me agbo egbete na nke oboti te fete nke ni neduma wa asia. Naomi vie e shadumo. Sometimes in our affliction, sometimes in our crisis moment, sometimes when we face various calamities, what we do is to speak against God or even blame Him. And that was what Naomi did. You said, Naomi, Shabress is saying, you are a year man, wa bra, every baby no, when who said, send a man pono. Ruth, call up baby anano, baby, I didn't come on to do so baby anano. Say a beer. Okwa ye po weti benya ware ho e ho who say oh say na mempo no o sha se hwe na me tira kwan na o kan sem papa e fa na kopon ho no hwe de si bu na mo bi kwan ma onu a wa poro no afedi obeye David o hene kese no ne nana odofo ebia wo sha se no wo da reho na wo yem hihyew woni da so asa wa paba woni na mesu kwa tonchen emfa ho se kwesi ana so ana yensoe se odi awade be tun se didi ana se odi usika the friend usika because what dey say wo dia woni bi be boa na eduma no ni nyina na wo eja yo na so nyame ncha de no woni ba ho so ya wo sha se yo sa Yakupon so asase pija chiranga ne bi ye kenkan David die na ho na elisi enne ye beto aso efi David so 1 Samuel chapter 30 verse number 1 na ye bekanya dia kopim verse number 7 na elisi go they can intend them so. Now it happened when David and his men came to Ziklag on the 3rd day that the Amalekites had invaded the south and Ziklag, attacked Ziklag and burned it with fire, and had taken captive the women and those who were there, from small to great. They did not kill anyone, but carried them away and went their way. So David and his men came to the city, and there it was, burned with fire, and their wives, their sons and their daughters had been taken captive. Then David and the people who were with him lifted up their voices and wept until they had no more power, to weep. Wow. Let's continue. And David's 2 wives, Ahinoam the Jezreelites and Abigail the widow of Nabal the Carmelites, had been taken captive. Now David was greatly distressed, for the people spoke of stoning him, because the soul of all the people was grieved, every man for his own sons and his daughters. But David strengthened himself in the Lord his God. Then David said to Abiathar the priest, Ahimelech's son, please bring the ephod here to me. And Abiathar brought the ephod to David. So David inquired of the Lord, saying, shall I pursue this troop? Shall I overtake them? Therefore, assembly, if you want to and you know, she said, who two quite call baby by who could be baby? Yes, I didn't bed and now. Who sang with Chibaya, who drink and a woman. What time for other forming now or before the moon? Now, she will be a watching what she won't now. Who the baby tiano? We don't know Maswa, your phone call. A young one can never be you. Eh, yeah. Now, so we say never agree. Now, when here, every papa says, I see, I would never be the children. One more so you don't know one ma. Now, I will say, Warra, Yama was so soon. There was soon, you could do prayer. I want dinner, I would do soon. Actually, one year would be Biarabue. And people say, what, how many? And your wife, you say, some member would never be the children, where never be a when we are marketinka, a kufuo, a member of one day, ya bakufuo, and to be roughly in follow chrome, but you sort of four bodga, or no quan reho, or kuta jag, and here is you, the second crown. And the pumping premature was here, so that we, or Ramu, or Kumonsa, Coco, Buddha, Bimo, as I said, David Akasa, and the condo. A Buddha never won Musio, Sunday identity. Bebe Qua, Coye, Kunkunipa, Coburano, a Cosa, Sio, not Tanfiba, Kumo, was also named the Sio, a Tanfiba, or Mokumsa, no few one jump coin. Where about you? Now they come on one carry the Atrewa. Suddenly, Major Tacoin, when this is your coin, not Nippon in the so, Major Tanis is Yakosa. These were warriors. Meneme kakano ejiame. Je me follow. Je hi foji. I am kona told them whether I would trouser. She mene he kakacheme. Or for wherever I have na Bible say, O Musunya Kopim say, Abuadia Yedisunu, a bidi obiu. Now we how and I know how. This was a huge crisis. I traveled, I came back, my wife and my children had been taken away, and you want me to stay home or laugh? We have told you time and again that what happens to you does not matter. Because you were created for God's glory. If you want to see things from God's perspective, whatever happens to you does not matter. Because you are conscious of your soul. God created you for his glory. This body came from the earth, it will go back to the earth. But the soul that came from God will go back to God. So you want the soul to go back to God in conformity with his word. So you want to do things that God wants you to do. So what will you do in the face of crisis? So when it's a year, the AC and how many Bible say, and then one day, what you must offer born what 12 would David Kumu. What person was see David Abukumu or one. Now, so when you know David and Power, one yet is Naomi, one yet is Gideon, one yet is a woman brave, how bad, Naya Boto, Naya Pu on your coupon, Naya Jine on the song, Naya Sasoro Yano. And you'll be no more so musa. It's way by or your water was for any and or Tiffy. Say your master review, can any tiazi. I said, you will see, we will see it will be hum. I will be any auntie. Sense of Tiffy. Oh, I'm sorry. Or the four. I saw no, I am middle mean. To when you know much here, now we won't buy it, walking camp, Mutu Bufua. Money Christ to say, dear, what's wrong? Now, so the money didn't be able to say, I didn't be a crowd no more. Would it be man more? And my soul didn't be piano. Now, Brad David, what person was sitting on Bokum? Oh, I mean, what I read who be brave. Now, so Bible show you then, or share the whole day, a way ratting. I ain't kind of dinner. So, we're free David, dear, my Kyle. Bonnie Ben, Papa yet. Obi a yasra no ngo so no na oye Israel hene obi onyankopon se oye obema odo na na akoma so obi a Goliath a wa be share Israel man so na wanyu ogefo no ode no ho afode ko gina ise obeko ma Israel ye onim so betu ye wu akono na so obofaketwa ogina omani ni enim akun tokodene akun Goliath na kana sida. And so I had a oh, a man of two nom, a mohina wire, sorry. 1 million I said, Saul, a cum named Pim, David, a cum named Pimudu. Saul, let me a pay, David, let me a pay to a pay, allo, let me a pay, Numa. Then, Haman chair, oh, I will elite here, your management tower that will make a or any and then I'm going to say, like, for us, yeah, I'm like a 4, I don't find it in the man, anyway, did it in the Makui. Now, many who are, I can find a year can't draw, they are soon, they are chasing a woman who grab you, they are can't someone, any say I can. Now, so you will say, David shared the hoodie with Radimu. You see, David here, there, or share the hoodie with Radimu. David wore a wallet, the root he strengthened himself in the Lord. Where is your strength in times of crisis? How do you respond when crisis come knocking on your door? Can I buy back? Oshina see. Never we are. Never do go by him. And he will come come here. David shared with him already. Abraham no baby here what David me. Or the floor. One so good to national hooding already. And family baby are coming no one go to. Yase, Doctor for the nurse for be brave, one be wu, and who be brave. When you are baby, now bread, oh, money, ya be brave. It's a Gusora bomb by a mouth. Now, yes, so say, to the feet a bit me. Catawini, no smart in the city. Who won't suck, and you might see any not success in you. It is important for you to be safe, but ultimately, you must be safe. Churches of Christ, salute you. God